4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
Well, no entry for me. Shout out to whoever's lurking right there. I see you, dog. Little 12-minute fractal. Just waiting for a flip, if we get one. Candlestick structure. So we're just in this range. See if we can take a long out of here. If we flip. Retrace here. Up to 30, 40, maybe. Just waiting. This is the 50. It was a higher time frame. Let's see if we tap back in here, make equal highs, and I'll take this. Would be risking 7, 8 points, 16 bucks to make 40 or so. Yeah, I want to leave the range again. Nah. We did tap back and attempt the high, I guess, but unless we trade back up here, I'm not taking this. All right. Now I might take it if it lets us in. Come down, sweep.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Equal highs. Tap. So if we tap, unless we just dump through, which is possible, I can see us coming back up here to sweep this. Let's see if we get tapped in.
Order failed. Order submitted.
Push our stop up. Target 1 to 2. But we'll see. It's a pretty big 1 minute bearish candle. But just trading what I'm seeing. It would be nice, you know, if we have to if we deliver this bearish SBS, broke this range, tap back in, come up and sweep this. One-to-ones delivering.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that. Little over 1-to-1. Eight and a half points. Let's see if it delivers as delivered 1-to-2. Potentially could take this back down. But I'd rather stay bullish. I need to be patient with these trades, man. Having a hard time holding past 1-to-1. Just want to be conservative. Every trade you take after a win, it's exposing you to risk. And every decision you make after the first one is declining. And focus, mental capital. But let's see. Start ranging in here. That's also another thing about taking, we just broke this low, so we could also range for a little bit. Let's see if this bearish zone plays out. Didn't quite sweep this first tap. But I definitely could see us getting more downside to the 90s or 70s. Oh, I see that. Good eye, bro. I see that. I have the 12-minute on my other monitor. I did notice that the first tap on the 12-minute. When I first got in, I'd probably like lower price though. The 50 of the large range, 71. But if this is the number 5 of the 12-minute, we might get a 1-minute SBS down here. Or maybe that was it, right here. But that would be good for us, because then we could just look for any bullish entry on the way back up. Where are you from, Latin? Got you. Good evening, good evening. Appreciate you for hopping in. Is it late over there? 50, so still didn't tap the 50. Swept again. A lot of mitigations in here, so we potentially could run away from it and then sweep the lows and go sweep these. Let's see if we sweep something down here and build some structure back up. Could maybe take a scalp. Shout out to all three of you tapping in. Hope you guys are green today or following your rules. Yeah. I potentially could see some shorts up here, or I'll just get long going back up, but what kind of range in here? So either waiting for a long down here or for us to build more structure and get involved on the way back up. Hey, good evening, Johan. How's it going, bro? Hope you're having a good day at work. Yeah. Yeah, it's been hella hot here as well. It's cooling off a little bit coming to the end of the week though. I think it was like 96 Fahrenheit early in the week, Monday, Tuesday. And then now I think it's going to be about 80. Yeah, good for you, man. Can't stand the heat, man. I always say I prefer the cold, because at least you could put on more clothes. But if you get too hot, you can only get so naked. You know what I mean? Yeah. Took a nice 1-to-1. Target was 1-to-2. But I don't know, man. It's hard to hold past 1-to-1. Like on one mini, this is like $150. That's already enough, you know? Oh my God, I'm tired, man. Just got 2 emails. 2 companies decided to not even give me a shot. Appreciate the time. Fuck you. The whole corporate system is just a scam, man. Yeah, we're definitely just in this range right here. So I'm kind of happy I was conservative with this, even though it delivered. But we broke this low over here, so I don't know. I didn't want to be greedy. Let's see if we sweep something down here though. That's kind of what I'm waiting for. Take a bottom of range long. One. At the highs, rejected from 1-1s. Yeah. See, we swept this. Let's see if we could get a scalp. Low, high, low. Potentially, to me, we broke this larger range, candle closed above, tapped back in, made a new high, currently sweeping that low. So potentially, I don't know how long it'll take, but I think we're bullish for now. But I would be more confident in that if we were a little bit lower. So, I don't know. All right, let's see. Risk $16. Swept a couple lows. It would be nice to go make a new high now. Broke the range, tap. I think I'll take this. Just using one contract.
Order submitted.
Risking 16, 17 bucks.
Order submitted.
Stop a little below the zone. Target 1-to-1. I'm gonna choke this one. Win or lose, accept the risk. That's all right. I guess we're gonna sweep the lows or break out the range. Let's see, did I miss the bearish side? Yeah. Oh boy.
Order filled.
Let's make sure my orders are closed out. No, it's not. Look at this. Look at this, bro. It's still in, bro.
Order filled.
Now I'm in a new position,
Order
bro.
filled.
This is fucking horrible, bro. But I was already out, so this shit didn't. Dude, every time, 3 times in a row this week when I close, 2 or 3 of my accounts still have an order on. But I definitely missed the bearish side. I guess it's such a small range. It's kind of hard to tell. Loss. Broke this range, tap. Missed it, man. Might come run all these highs still sometime. We're tapping into the 50 of the 12 minute or the fucking hella higher time frame range. From 20. Oh, right here. Yeah, either of these would be nice. There's even this larger range right here. That wasn't SBS. So now that we tap this low, I would be more confident in the 12 minute playing out if we get a flip. wicks on the 1 minute. I see this wick. Oh, yeah. Tap to 50 right there. Yeah. I just saw that. Man, you gotta know exactly what you're doing. Man, would I take this short though? I think I'd rather. But if we come back up here, I don't think there's a need to mitigate this. Yeah. Looks like an SBS though. Yes, sir. Yeah, the better shorts would be up here in these zones. Yeah. And that's just like, you know, the simple buy low, sell high. Yeah, it's not safe at all. That's what gets retail all the time. This is pretty much a chase, right? It's like, oh, it's got to keep going, and then it gets yeeted, and you're scared because you don't know where your stop is at. Yeah, I'm just waiting for a flip. 46. This is a valid low, valid high. Low, high. 15 seconds. Yeah, I would take a flip here. It's not always quite clean though, and I miss this a lot. Pull back a little bit before taking the high. SNDR. So let's mark this out, just in case a trade. 13 points, 26 bucks. Let's see what happens here. If it looks like something I could take, just accept the risk. Let's put in equal highs up here, or even a new high.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Yeah, we might not. That's okay. Just do the flip, tap, and go. Nah. Sometimes it plays out. I wouldn't though. I try to avoid the zone at the very top, especially like if it's just this 15-second one. I like this to get ran. If I get tapped in, I really like this setup. So even if I get stopped out, I'll be okay with it. Yeah, technically I could, but the plan is really just to sit here at this 50 and get tapped in.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm filled. What the hell? Where's my risk reward? And I mean, we could just dump. I mean, we've been going lower. This doesn't have to just stop at the 50. So, but I took the 1 minute flip, which I'm okay with. Got a candle closure, tap back in, new high. It's just one that I have to take. Yeah, that's all right. This bearish, I pointed this out. This bearish one's not that clean though. That's alright. Yeah, I followed my rules. Green day turns to red day. Not focused on the money though. But there is something to be said. Like after my first trade, I said every trade after this, I'm just exposing myself for, you know, to give the money back. Exposing myself to the risk. So just something you gotta live with if you're following your system. Losses are just part of the game. I wouldn't want to see it back down here though. Yeah, it wasn't. Kind of shook right now. I really don't want to see this come back. I'd rather take a 1 point win than a full loss right there, so.
Order filled.
Oh, that's dirty, bro. Oh my god, bro, no wonder. Bro, Apex is fucking... My trades didn't copy because I was on my other account, which I had to check because of the ghost orders. So stupid, man. I was wondering why my order wasn't showing on this screen. Wow, bro. So I only took that trade on one eval. No, just the trades. I wasn't on my leader account, my personal account, because I had to switch to look at my eval because of those ghost orders earlier. So none of the trades copied because I didn't switch back to my to the leader account. That's just kind of frustrating. A mistake like that wouldn't happen if I didn't have technical issues. Yeah, but my stats for all of my accounts, you know. It's all right. Small green on the day. Could just range in here. But I closed that trade early. It was so funny. I closed it and then it pumps for 5 more points. Points with my mini. Oh, yeah, bro. I mean, you heard me the whole time. I was like, oh, well, green day to red day. That just goes to show you, man. Probabilities are real. And you're not out till you're out. A couple ticks below the zone. Sometimes you're safe. 1-to-1 delivered. So I didn't need to be a little scary. Didn't need to get so spooked. But it's okay. Good day. Followed my rules. This one right here. Missed this bearish zone. And pretty much just got my direction wrong on this one. Thought we're ranging. I'm gonna start a poll real quick. Actually, never mind. Kind of a rhetorical question. It's a nice trade. See, this bearish SBS played out too. But you can't take the highs and lows every time. That's crazy. $13 of drawdown. Offered close to 20. Still like a long in here, man. There we go. Dropped a poll in the chat. Curious to see what you guys like to do. I think target will be met. Holding to the 1 to 2 is just about confidence and accepting the risk. It's tough. You gotta trust your system. Look at that though. Came to within 3 points. I would probably take that. 11:55 on the 1 minute. Right here. I mean, do you take that just based off tapping back into the wick? Oh, I guess there's this structure right here. Broke out, tap back in. That's this right here. Yeah, actually that is a good entry. I took the same trade yesterday. This is a really nice trade. That's crazy. Yesterday I took this exact same trade, except I skipped this higher time frame one and I took this fractal one. Oh wait, maybe that was in my back testing session. Top of the body from 11:51. Top of the body. Oh, right here. I see that. Yeah. Yeah, your trading system's so interesting. If you had to put your trading system into one line, what would it be, Johan? Like your bread and butter. Or are you trading everything? Like wicks, flips, 50 taps? This 1 to 2 is about to deliver. Damn, man. That's awesome. At the end of the day, man, trading is not cookie cutter. Look at that 1 to 2 delivered. Definitely getting better at this, man, for sure. Yeah, it's not cookie cutter. Like, I would say my system right now is obviously based off of Dave's stuff, market structure, zones, 50 taps. And then I was taking SNDR taps from the masterclass. It's something that I saw all the time. But then Stoic came out with his SBS, and I was like, oh shit. I was just trading another part of this sequence. And then went to go look and started taking my 50 taps based off that. I missed that one. Followed price until next zone that was being created off the wicks around 985. That one I took may listen, but still it's more risky when we slowly creep. So the tap back into here, yeah? What's up, Mickey? Hey, I totally understand how you're feeling, brother. But look at the positive, man. Not everybody could take out 10 points in the market, bro. Or wait, that's 5 points with a mini. There's always gonna be a shoulda, coulda, woulda. Especially, you know, after it plays out. Like, look at this, bro. I had the perfect ass entry. Now that it played out, it's like, oh, what an easy hold. What an easy hold. Bro, I'm pretty fucking happy right now. We were talking about it, Johan. Or I said I'm comfortable with taking a long right here. We got the flip. It played out. I entered. Fumbled the management. Didn't copy it to all my accounts. And I fucking didn't even take the 1-to-1. So fumbled the execution, but the analysis was on point, bro. Oh, man. I would just feel a little bit better if it actually traded to all my accounts. Yeah, and my thesis too was based off the 12-minute, or well, this is a way higher time frame, but this 50 tap, this is gonna deliver more than a 1 minute move, right? So, God, it's always something that you overlook. Yeah, I think we're already playing out the 12-minute or the higher time frame. But where could we get reactions from? This zone up here, or maybe the origin, I suppose. I mean, we could get a reaction right here. Is there a trade right here too? No trade. Hey, whoever's in the chat, there's a poll in the chat. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Yeah. Agreed. Oh, man. Yeah, for sure. So recently, yeah, I've been thinking just like that. And I think, you know, the further up we go, the less probability the long is. And so I'm getting more comfortable with it's like, okay, well, this shit left without me. But the high probability long would be coming back to tap something. And so as long as you have that patience. But Gotta get comfortable with it running 50 points without you. Yeah, I think you could do it on the lower time frame. Just gotta be really nimble. But I think I'm good off that. Yeah. I mean, like I said, like even you, it's hard for me to hold past 10 points too. Like this 1-to-1 offered 14 points. I would be like, man, I want to take that off already. But it's nice to see it play out. So after we flip, I feel like there's a lower time frame opportunity in the second leg. Ah, man. What's up, Mirag? Nice to see you again, brother. Hope you're doing well. Both 1-to-2s hit today. And that's really where the profit is, man. Because that goes from a 3R day to a 1R day. And you're taking the same trades. Executions. Like if I look at the stats of my personal account along with the evals that I'm trading micros on and the PA, even though I only made 11 bucks, it's actually 80 if they're all funded. Doesn't sound impressive. Time to upload my trades. No, you could do that though. I know people that do that. But I feel like, and then if you use like a buy stop, like instead of taking this 50 tap, your buy stop is right here, right? And so what's the difference? 6.75 versus 7. Like, it's almost the same, but it'll always be different depending on how big the candle is and stuff. And sometimes you don't get that buy stop entry like until way higher, like it's already out of the zone. Oh, I've just been taking the 50 tap, bro. But the con of taking 50 taps is that when price does not return to the 50, now I can't get involved. Whereas the buy stop, you can. %, tap with no valid low or high created. Well, I don't think it's less about the valid low or high. It's more about what zone are you taking. Is it a valid zone? Because if we're trading based off market structure, we shouldn't take that low. But yeah, it could get risky if you're taking every single 50 tap. How about you? How do you answer? You know what's really risky? Turtle soups. Turtle soups in the way that Romeo enters. Zone 50, valid low. Yeah, that's cool. That's extra confirmation. I get that. For sure. So are you using a buy or sell stop then? Cause like, let's see, just like in this tiny zone here, there's not a valid low until we close above here, and then it's this big green candle. So where do you place your limit though? Like in this zone we left, we're tapping the 50 as soon as it created a valid low. The 50, oh, got it. So you're also taking the tap back in to the valid low? That's kind of like AP trades, huh? Or no, pack trades. Yeah, okay, got you. You could take that valid low, kind of 70% tap too if you want. Stop below the low. I see that. Well, technically, turtle soup was created before ICT. But yeah, ICT kind of made it more popular on YouTube. Yeah, that's true. but the trades that you do get into are higher probability, so that's a good thing. Yeah. Turtle Soup was authored by some dude. He like took 100 students and gave them his Turtle Soup strategy. Yeah, this one or the higher time frame one. We just created a valid high. So you're getting in. It's at the 50 with a valid low. Okay, I get it. We're tapping back in right now, right? And you could take that. Yeah. I'm not taking any trades, but I'm just following, you know, getting an understanding of how Mickey likes to trade. But yeah, that's pretty much a Pock Trades entry. Right here, Johan. Strategy was developed by Linda Bradford, and then this dude Richard Dennis taught a bunch of students Turtle Soups, and they actually became profitable. I guess this would be the entry. Did it already deliver? Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Well, that's a... You're already in good profit though, yeah? That's way more than 1-to-1. Got you. I hope it plays out for you, bro. Yeah, keep it up, bro. Just keep refining what you do. Don't matter what anybody else does. Oh. It's so cool how everybody could trade differently, but the same. Yeah, it was. Came straight for you, brother. Yeah, yeet. On candlestick structure, yeah. Ooh. Oh. We got some life. We got some life. I frankly don't know why we just rejected from there, but we got some life for Mickey over here. Yeah, take that, bro. Whew. Nice trade, bro. And way not to be greedy. You're like, oh, it's finally going my way. Just a couple more points. Nah, take that. You're about to get scraped up here. Maybe. I don't know. I'm sticking bullish. I'm thinking come close above this high. And then we'll make this range. All right. Well, my trading day has been done since 12. I took 3 trades, 2 wins, 1 loss. First trade was a nice kind of counter trend trade for a nice 1-to-1. Second trade The higher time frame was sending us short, so I was counter trend once again. I thought we were in a range, so I was wrong. In the third trade, only took it on one eval on accident. This one I cut the trade early, 1-to-1 and 1-to-2 delivered. This would have been a perfect lower time frame entry for a 12-minute move. This is, man, this is cream of the crop right here. But small green on the day. No red days this week, just break evens. I'm gonna go ahead and end the poll. Any last takers for the poll? And then I'll check out the results and then I'm gonna call it a day. If you take one profitable trade, do you continue to trade to meet P&L goal? Yes, if setup presents itself. No, any profit is enough. And I ask that because, you know, a lot of times you start the day out green and then maybe you get mentally fatigued and you start seeing stuff that might not be on point and you just give up your gains. Especially if it's 10 points. I know a lot of people who stop after 10 points and it's enough, you know. So 80% said, yep, take your trade, take the setup. I'm assuming you just accept the risk, fuck it, trade your system. But someone said, no, any profit is enough. So I guess there's no wrong or right answer. It's just your own system. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. Today was a nice trading day. Nice zones. But, alright guys. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Makes it a lot easier to watch the market, chopping it up with you guys. Y'all have a wonderful day. Hope you guys followed your rules, kept it green. And if not, just keep going, bro. Appreciate you guys. Y'all take it easy.